exhaust flange bolt off, lower in the rear, but it's stripped off / stuck on there since, I guess, new? No, maybe. It looks like it's never been taken off. Yeah, that happened multiple fucking good me, man.
I just got the word that GT3 RS is done at iTemp. We're gonna go, if you can see it in the background, go grab it, get it inside, start taking it apart, get the exhaust going, get the radar installed, fix up the seats. You see we're unboxing all the Sharkwerks exhaust system we have here. This is a really nice setup. It's beautiful as it comes out of the package. It's Cerakoted, as you can see here, very high quality. They specialize in the Porsches. You can find them online. You know, they have a ton of great stuff. We got the CATBACK system here. I think they call this their Street Series. As you can see, Sharkwerks. Along with that, we got these massive tips. That's gonna change the whole look of this car. As you can see on the factory, I'll try to move this for you. They look good, but that's gonna look a lot better.
Closing a carbon hood, especially on Porsches, you just go like that. You don't have to slam it or nothing.
Go on the sides too, man.
Where at? Oh, I see.
There's one on the back too.
These look like What this consists of is giving it a good sand, filling all the pinholes, and then putting a base layer of primer on it. Then I do a guide coat, which is like a thin mist of a dark color paint over the primer, and then I wet sand it. So then it'll be completely ready for the paint shop for that slick paint job.